Yeah, hi, this is SY Sublime, and it's been a while since my last video, but I finally got my DC Fullriver DC 150 12 volt battery, and that is going to go in there. This is going to be one of 8 of these batteries I'm buying, so I have a total amp hours in the boat of 1500. I did buy 2 more DC Fullriver DC 105 12 volt batteries for my starter batteries a couple of weeks ago, and they are down in here in my bilge, and then I have a battery management system back there for both banks. Actually, I'm going to be putting 4 DC 150s in here and 4 DC 50s under this bench seat where my black water tank is at the moment. I'm going to take that out and I'm going to put a smaller black water tank in, like a 10 gallon or 14 gallon or something. So we're going to do an unboxing video on this right now, and this is SY Sublime. Check the next unboxing video, and I'll catch you later.